If your kids smoke or carbon monoxide alarm won't stop beeping, it can be frustrating and concerning. Constant chirping usually signals a battery issue, sensor problem, or in some cases, a recalled unit. Since these alarms are critical for fire and carbon monoxide safety, it's important to fix the issue quickly rather than ignoring it. The good news is, most beeping problems can be resolved in just a few minutes. Important steps. 1. Press and hold the test reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to temporarily silence the alarm. 2. Check the model number to see if it's part of an active recall, and contact Kidde for a free replacement if needed. 3. Replace removable batteries with fresh ones, making sure they're installed correctly. 4. For sealed 10-year battery models that chirp early, contact Kidde support for warranty replacement. 5. Vacuum the sensor vents to remove dust, which can trigger false alarms. 6. Make sure the alarm isn't installed near kitchens, bathrooms, or air vents where steam or fumes can cause false alerts.